Hi, I'm Amy with Amy's Crafts and Things. One quick tutorial that I'm going to help you with today is setting the hole sewing. So in order to do hole sewing, what we're going to do is we have one shape up already. Let's bring in another shape. Let's choose a star. We'll click and drag. And it's blue. Let's change that color to yellow. And the way that hole sewing works is if you have intersecting lines, it will not work. So one shape has to be inside of another shape. So in order to set the hole sewing, what we have to do is select our shapes that we're going to work with. Select the objects. Go up to Home. You'll see about in the middle of the screen, you'll see Arrange, Size, and Modify Overlap. Click on Modify Overlap and set Hole Sewing. Now if you look at the left-hand portion of your screen in the sewing order, you will look at the first object, which is our pentagon, and you will see that the star has been cut out of the shape. That way you don't have two portions sewing on top of each other. We can watch our sewing simulator real quick to see how it will sew out. As you can see, it is leaving the space open for the star. One thing that I would like to point out to you is one of the reasons why something won't work when you're trying to set or specify the hole for sewing is if you have intersecting lines. So what I mean by that is, let's go ahead and select all these objects and we will delete them. Let's get rid of this one too. Delete. We'll go into shapes. Let's grab two different shapes. That one will be fun. Let's change the color to blue. Then we'll grab another shape. Oh, let's do a diamond. And we'll change the diamond color to purple. And I purposely put it like that. Now I will select our objects that I would like to set a keyhole sewing for. Select the objects. Go up to Modify Overlap, Set Hole Sewing, and an error comes up. Invalid pair was selected. Why? That's because you have intersecting lines. When there's intersecting lines like this, you will not be able to set the hole for sewing. So you'll have to adjust the size of one item or the other in order to make that work. Select the object, make this bigger. We'll select our diamond shape. We'll move it. Let's rotate it for fun. We learned how to do that in our last lesson. Rotate to the left. Now we will select our objects that we want to create the hole sewing for. Go up to Modify Overlap and Set Hole Sewing. And there, if you look in your sewing order, you will see that there was the hole was cut for that diamond shape. I hope you have found this tutorial helpful. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to be notified when other tutorials are posted, and so that we can also help our other fellow crafters learn how to use PE Design 11. Thank you for watching.